Hey everybody, it's John again from Gaspers Automotive, and just doing a really quick video here on tumbling again. Can't stress it enough. I have an intake manifold here from this 1935 Ford four-door sedan. As you can see, we're doing an engine swap here, and we've got this beautiful green engine here. We painted up, and we got this ugly corroded aluminum housing on here, this intake housing. It's just not very good looking, so we're gonna fix that. And we're gonna go over to the tumbler here. We're just gonna toss this baby right in here, right in that media. And we're gonna get this thing tumbling and see what happens. Check out this intake here. Look at the shine on that compared to what it was. What a difference. It's like brand new. Get a couple stragglers out of there. Oh, one more. All nice and clean, shiny, cleaned inside and out, ready to go. I'll wipe this thing off real quick here. We give it one last shake so we know there's no media in there. And that looks a heck of a lot nicer on that engine. Way better. Just another tumbling video real quick to show you what we can do here at the shop. And if you have an intake like that or anything that's aluminum like this and you want to get it tumbled, let us know, or take it to a shop near you that's got a tumbler, and it's going to make your engine look really vintage and have kind of an old school look to it. All right, and please subscribe and keep that old iron running. See you next time.